We're
Oh my
Starbucks.
god, I'm sorry.
I forgot to record us on the way here. We're getting our coffee.
No.
Just a little tired.
I'm dead.
I thought I was going to be tired today.
I'm so tired.
Because she got, what, 3 hours of sleep?
I know. I'm friggin' exhausted. Oh, those are cute cups.
Let the fun begin.
Oh god.
We're going to Lin's to eat Le Chinese food. Jessica's still a little tired.
I'm dying. I'm dead. I still feel drunk. Oh lord.
You're not acting drunk.
Okay, here's
Who are you gonna have do your hair for any and all major events? From
Trina,
now
she
on?
hook it up. She hooks it up.
Jess, let me see y'all do.
This weave is banging. That's all I got to say.
I think it looks good.
It's hard to realize.
Because you were laying sideways, so I was braiding sideways.
Oh my god. That's the doo-doo, y'all. It's Jessica Tran at the beach house and
Reporting live.
Huh?
I said reporting live.
Reporting live.
From the
It's
beach
Jessica
house.
Tran from the beach house. This is the new do and you do to do. So get on the do.
Okay.